Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your curbside deal video for the week of the 17th ending on the 23rd of March. So basically you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app on a cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside offer. And often items are a little bit cheaper, and looking from this, it's a great video today. And I'm recording this on Tuesday, March the 19th, and this is the first day of spring, and Dairy Queen is offering a free small cone at participating locations. To my knowledge, it's most locations. The easiest way, if you're traveling with a bunch of kids, probably go through the drive-thru. That's probably the easiest way to do it. And yeah, it's just easy. Just ask, are they participating in this, or if there's signage, and get your free cone today, which is Tuesday, March the 19th. Okay, so yesterday I made a video where there was a quad stack, meaning 4 booster stacking for this lovely basket of merchandise. And this offer is for more advanced shoppers. I kind of break it down looking at, a triple stack and a quad stack. If this is your thing, you might want to check out yesterday's video. It makes these items so cheap, and we're looking at toilet paper, mascara, whole bunch of greatness. So curbside pickup, meaning you order this stuff through your app, desktop computer or tablet. You're hitting the box on the left hand side with the red check, and then you drive to your store, go to the photo counter, and pick up your order. It's that easy. If your item says, low inventory, or you cannot add it to your basket, it's probably out of stock, especially if you live in a larger area with many couponers. Sometimes that happens as the week marches on. But yeah, if this is your kind of shopping, make these deals yours and make it happen. It's a great way to shop over at Walgreens. So the first deal that we're going to look at is deal number 1. We're going to be throwing in 2 of these Blink. It's like a soft contact lens drop. I think they have regular eye drops too. $7.99, so 2 of them is $15.98. This is a Walgreens coupon. It's $4 off of each. So if you look at it, it says My Walgreens. So thus it's a Walgreens coupon. This is the manufacturer, which is a 6 off of 2. So load this one as well. And we have 2 Axe body washes for $8.98 on a buy one, get one free promotion. We have this digital coupon, which is a 6 off of 2, a very generous one. If you head over to your Fetch Rewards, you might have a really great rebate. Mine is spend 15, get back 3. But if you have something like buy 2, get back 3, it's much better. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account. You might score big with a rebate. We're also going to be throwing in 4 boxes of the Pop-Tarts, priced at 3 for $5. So for 4 of them, it's $6.67. IBOTTA is giving back $1 when you buy 2 of them. And why I grabbed that 4th box is to get the balance past $10 for a curbside pickup. Here's the gorgeous chorus line of digital coupons melting off right here. And just to show you, the overall balance was $31.63, $8.50 in IVC and other magic coming off. Free curbside pickup, 99 cents in tax, and $12 in manufacturers melting off. So you'll pay $12 or, roll some Walgreens cash if you might have it. And then photograph your receipt to Fetch. You might get something back, along with photographing your receipt to Ibotta for that $1 back for the Pop-Tarts. Now, you have to go to the photo counter, ask the cashier to ring it up through a regular cash register so you get the receipt. If they do it through the handheld, you won't get a receipt. So you have to make sure to do those steps in order to get the receipt for extra money savings, especially with Ibotta and Fetch. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to be looking at getting 3 of the Nivea Men body wash for $5 each, and that is a sales price. So unfortunately, that WAG10 code can't apply it when items are of a sales price. Just to note that, and a lot of people, love the Nivea body wash. We have this 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. This is a spend offer to spend 15, get back 5. So for this one, you're going to have to pay your debit card for the balance. 3 of those in a basket. Curbside pickup is free, 90 cents in tax, $4 melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $11.90 and then get back 5. So I think it shakes it out to $2 per body wash, and that's a little something called not too shabby. I mean, it's still a deal. Deal number 3. For this one, we're just grabbing a hodgepodge of products. The first are 2 of the Airwick oils at $6.49 a pop for $12.98. We have this very generous buy one, get one free coupon, and we're going to see how that comes off at checkout. So I am not complaining about this. Loaded at the very least, guys. And then we also have 3 boxes of Cheez-Its for $5 on the nose. With Cheez-Its, we also have this dollar digital. So make sure you have it loaded for an extra $1 of savings. No IBOTTA rebates for this guy, though. $6 coming off for Airwick, $1 for Cheez-It, and then $1.10 for WAG10, that promotional code, extra savings, $17.98, subtracting $1.10, tax $7, so $10.62. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay 62 cents and call this a very good deal. Now, I know a lot of you love skincare, so this is one for you. We're going to be grabbing one of these big, fancy Olay moisturizers for $29.99. The promotion for this is to spend $20, get back $5. We also have this digital coupon, which is a $12 off, and it's off the sensitive moisturizer one. And this is the promotion I was just yammering about. Spend $20, earn $5. The word spend is in there, so you got to pay your debit card for the balance. Just to show you, $12 and then $1.80 with WAG10 coming off, so a little bit of savings right there. The overall balance for this was $29.99, WAG10, free curbside pickup, tax $12. With your debit card, pay $17.88, and then you're getting back $5.29. So not the worst deal. Unfortunately, this isn't part of cosmetics. The spend 30, get back 10. That would be nice. It isn't. Remember, pay your debit card for the balance, as there's a promotion of spend 20, get back 5 for the lotion. The final deal that we're looking at, a really great deal if you need to stock up on vitamins. So we have the Centrum. This is a 65 count on a buy one, get one, 50% off for $14.98. Earn $5 when you buy 2. And it's BOGO 50% off. Hi. We have this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. Plus, ShopMeum has another $3 back as well. So you're going to have to clip that and get a receipt to apply for that. So $3 and $1.20 coming off with WAG10. So not too shabby, as they say. The overall basket, $14.98, $1.20, free curbside pickup, no tax here on vitamins, and $3 off. So pay $10.78 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 78 cents. Get your receipt through a regular register, photograph it for ShopMeum for an extra $3 back, $5 back. I mean, this shakes it out to $1.39 per bottle of Centrum. If you use a couple every day to stay on point with your vitamins and supplements, this is a very good price point. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.